When we receive the machine, we install all the handles into the machine. We can see here has 3 holes: water inlet, pure water hose, water outlet. Now we find a funnel and insert in the water inlet. And then add the water. Please remember the water master is pure water or pure water. When we see the water up from the pure water hose, it means the water is full. We can stop at the water and press T up on the funnel. About the water outlet, normally we need to change the water every month. When we want to change the water, we need to open it and let the water out from the machine and then add the water again. Now we connect the pedal. And insert the power line. Press this button to turn on the machine. We turn on the key switch, and this is the emergency button. When we receive the machine, it was turned on, so we need to turn off. Normally, we don't need to turn on. Only when we have an emergency during the operation, we need to turn on. Once turned on, the machine will turn off. We can see it has 4 systems: laser, SHR, inline, and RF. Now we check the first one, laser. It has these functions: remove tattoo eyebrow, black dot treatment, remove tattoo eyelid, remove tattoo, remove nervous prior, remove birthmark. And here is the system interface. This is the power. The minimum value is 10 and the maximum value is 2000. We can set to 300 first and adjust it basis on the customer building. And this is the frequency. We can set to 2 or 3. And here is the counter. This system needs to use the NDR handle. This handle is the NDR handle. And it has 3 different wavelengths of the operating hand: 5, 32, and 1064. And this one, 132 yellow. The 532 is used for the eyebrow and eyelid, and the 1064 is used for the nervous prior and birthmark. And this one is used for the black dot treatment. After all parameters are set, we can click here and start on the pedal, start working. And the second system, SHR. This system is professional for hair removal. It has 6 options: face, bikini, body, side, arm, and armpit. And here is the pulse width. We can set to 3.5, and the frequency you can set to 3. And the power we can set to 15. And here is the cooling system. When we turn on, the handle will be in the cooling state. When we turn off, it will be in the normal temperature state. Usually we need to turn on. And here is the counter. This system needs to use the opening handle. This handle. And we need to change the corresponding filter. This one is the filter. And this system, we need to change the filter of 640. And after all parameters are set, we can click here start working. And the next system is inline. It also has 6 functions: hair removal, skin rejuvenation, pigmentation therapy, wrinkle removal, acne therapy, vascular therapy. Now we check the skin rejuvenation. Here is the system interface, and this is the treatment record of different patients. And here is the pulse rate. This is the pulse interval. These two already say in the backend, so we don't need to say again. And here is the seconds of shooting. We can set to 300. And this one is the numbers of the pulse. We can set to the maximum value 6. And this is the speed of shooting. We can set to 4. And here is the energy. We can set to 15 bursts and adjust the basis on the customer building. And the IF we can set to 10. And here is the cooling system. When you turn on, the handle will be in the cooling state. When you turn off, it will be in the normal temperature state. And here is the counter. This system also needs to use the OPT handle, this one. And we need to change the corresponding filter. And after our parameters are set, we can click here, start working. And the last system is IF. It has 6 options: face, neck, body, side, arm, and armpit. And it has 2 modes. We can choose one we want. And here is the power. The minimum value is 1 and the maximum value is 20. We can set to 7. And here is the time. We can set to 300. And this one is the discharge interval. We can set to 2. And here is the cooling system. When we turn on, the handle will be in the cooling state. When you turn off, it will be in the normal temperature state. Usually we need to turn on. And here is the counter. This system needs to use the IF handle. This one is the IF handle. And it also has 3 operating hands of different size. This one, and this one. We can choose one according to our treatment area. After our parameters are set, we can click here, start working.